A Delhi Transport Corporation or DTC bus on Wednesday had caught fire in South Delhi. The incident was reported in the afternoon in Mahipalpur area. The video that went viral on Twitter showed fumes erupting from the government bus. Thankfully, no one was injured in the accident. Reports suggest that two shops that were next to the bus had also caught fire. The fire department was informed about the fire and the routes from both the sides have been blocked. Fire department officials said that the blaze broke out at around 2:20 p.m. in the bus plying on route number 534, which runs from Anand Vihar ISBT to Mehrauli. The cause of the fire is still not known. Meanwhile, last month, a cluster of buses caught fire in northwest Delhi's Khanjwala area. Police said that a technical malfunction led to the mishap. As the bus had moved out of the depot, there was no passengers on it.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.